Alrighty then. What's up, Dez? How are you, man? All right, I'm just getting situated and jumping over now to see everyone. Hi. Hi, everyone. What's up, everyone? Oh my gosh, happy Monday. It's been a nice 3-day weekend. It's been awesome. Look at my little headset over my underneath my things. It's nice. It's good. Oh gosh, it's been a nice 3-day weekend. I literally just did nothing. And I wanted to say play games, but I didn't. I literally been coding for the last 72 hours. Beating my head on stuff. Can I dock this? Oh man, sorry dude. I hope everything is going good. I hope you're doing okay, man. Crazy. RL can be crazy, man. Custom browser docs. I'll do Cherish. Share play. I don't know why I said Cherish. If I had to log into this. I don't know my freaking login. Unless I can just see. I don't want to use the chat. I just want to see the chat. So, yo, Helion, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I don't know how to. Can we? I don't think we can have follow stuff set up, right? My first stream here, so I gotta learn all the ins and outs of it now. I've been poking around at different streamers here and creators here. I like RPGisms also. RPG. I love RPGs. They're my favorite game genre. That's all I really play. Anything in the RPG genre. But how are you, Helene? How's it going? Who else had a 3-day weekend? It was very nice. I did nothing this 3-day weekend. Yo, my turn. And Shrouded looks awesome, actually. I gotta turn this heat down 1 second. Wow. Forgot that, oh. Whew. Cool. Yeah, it looks really cool. I'm not a big fan of, like, survival games, but I don't know. I feel like they got one human coming out and Shrouded, and they're all, like, focused on this, like, role-playing type ARPG survival thing that's going on. So it looks really good. Whew. It's hot. But yeah, how's everyone doing though? Yeah, man, it looks cool. And Dad was talking about and Shrouded a while ago. Looks really cool. One human looks cool too. I'm like, man, what's all these RPGs coming out there survival based? I guess I'm getting into survival games. I'm not good at survival games. Like, I have to go gather my food and then feed myself and keep myself from being dehydrated. I do that in real life every day. Well, I don't want to do that in a game. I gotta go shopping. I have to cook my food because I'm hungry. Then I get thirsty. Then I gotta keep myself dehydrated. I gotta make sure I stay healthy so I don't get sick. I'm like, I don't know if I want to play Second Life here. Yeah, Valheim was cool. I enjoyed Valheim. It wasn't like over the top. It was pretty basic, like survival stuff. But it looks cool. I'm looking forward to checking it out. Enshrouded and Once Human looks cool. So I guess it's the new spin we have on survival games, is becoming very focused in the RPG, which is neat. I like that because I love RPGs. I like the character depth and the dungeon running and the camaraderie of hanging out with people. So it's very cool. I are excited for it. And it'll be a nice spin from, like, you know, World of Warcraft or Final Fantasy 14 and all the other, like, big RPG games. Well, I guess Final Fantasy 20 is more of a RPG MMO. I think it's one of the reasons why it does so well. No drinking and Enshrouded, well then, I'll drink in real life. So that might be a delay. I don't know how fast it is, but I'm on 4 different... I'm streaming to SharePlay, I'm streaming to Twitch, I'm streaming to YouTube, I'm streaming to LiveSpace. So it might be a slight delay. I'm not how sure quick it is. But there's a delay, that's why, just to give one a heads up. I'm not sure where I'm going to end up in terms of, like, content. Yeah, and Valheim was cool. Valheim was more of like a survival light than it was like survival. So I enjoyed Valheim. That was cool. Des typed something. When I type this, let me know how long it takes to go through. It will be in a second. So I just said that. 1. Let's see how long that goes through. Bingo. Oh, that was quick. Holy crap. Bingo was his name. Oh. Wow, that's crazy. All right, that's neat. That's good to know. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to end up in terms of a platform yet. I'm still multi-streaming for, I don't know, you can probably decide. Way faster than FTL. Yeah, what did they use? I guess, what is, I forget what SharePlay uses, Dylan. I thought it was RTMP, wasn't it? What is going on here? Oh, right, WebRT, you did say that. Yes, WebRTC, you did say that. Yes, yes, yes. All right, cool. Making sure everything's set up here. I like how they do the replies on chat. Like, they do it like a thread. It's very cool. I like that. It keeps slightly pausing for you. Huh. I wonder if it's because I'm streaming all over the place. I might cut off YouTube, possibly. I don't know. I didn't even make a new thumbnail for YouTube today. Oops. All right, let me close all this stuff down. I just wanted to make sure everything looks good. Thank you, Des. I appreciate it. All right, close that down. I didn't click this. All right, there we go. Now we are live. We are live, I think, or something. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Close.
Whoa. All right, cool. Close and close and close and close. All right, I'll get back to chat here now. Now I can see everything. All right, cool. Sorry, everyone. I was setting up. I had to close out all these dumb windows that were open. I just didn't want it to cause issues. All right, so let me swap over to this. Boom. I'll move my camera in if I have to. It seemed to level out now. All right, awesome. Oh yeah, I love this game. This is like one of my top favorites. Yeah, let me delete one. This one, I guess. So I want to do things differently. I always just pick a character and move on, but I want to look at different. So I've been getting really, really serious in Python, becoming like a little Python developer. So I want to take a different approach to gaming. And most of the time, we just come in here, we click the button. Oops, we click the button, and we look at all the different attributes, and that's cool. But you only can see 3 characters at a time. So I want to take an approach. I can tell we're gonna be friends. Yo, what's up, prophets? Yeah, serious game, serious game. I was trying to get into Lord of Fallen, I just couldn't. I just couldn't get into Lords of Fallen. I don't know. I might play it offline, maybe play here and there. I just couldn't get into it. It's sluggish. The freaking Unreal 5 has a lot of work. I can tell we're gonna be friends. Hell yeah, dude. I love anything Souls like. So what I want to do, and I'm gonna switch my whatever the hell this thing is called. My thingies around, I guess. My display. Go to display capture. I thought I have display capture on. Don't I? I do. Okay. So what I want to do, let me make this a little bit bigger. I started doing this the other night with got to turn in my badge. Oh, that's cool, the alpha badge. Oh, that's pretty cool. I have I suck at them. I enjoy them. I'm just not good at the combat. I'm like, I could kill, and I don't, and the thing always kills me. So I'm not. I enjoy them. I just need to practice better so I can, slash things. The new one looks really cool. So I'm excited to check out the new one. But I should probably beat at least one of the older ones before the newer one. You can click on your avatar. Wait, hold on. Where's my chat? Oh, what is going on here? I'm pressing buttons. Things are happening. Where is my... Oh, I closed down SharePlay, though. Hold on, let me bring up SharePlay. Oh, wait, no, I should have... Oh, because I docked it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I docked it and have to log into it. I'm like, I don't remember my password. I just keep everything saved. Oh, thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate the likes and the follows. Thank you. My channel. You see, if I click on my profile in the chat, I'll type in chat. Hi. Oh wow! Look at all these things. There's buttons I can press. Oh. Oh. After clicking them, fancy buttons. I know, I love buttons. That was down. Oh, I feel silly right now. Chat settings? What does this do? You can change your chat orientation. I want to type. Oh. Got it. There's a key. Oh, I was wondering what that was. Blue are whispers, and it has a key where when you look at the whispers. Got it. That's cool. I like how it's like right in the chat. So your job as like a streamer is not to reply to that message. Out loud. That's cool. Assign as manager via P. I was messing around with chat the other day. Accessibility, no. Chat rules, chat settings. What's this button? Oh, leaderboards. That's cool. And you see the keyword it gives. Wait, keyword? What do you mean keyword? I'm confused. Are you talking about where it says after reply whisper? It's got the keyword after that. My avatar. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, I'm gonna bring this here. So. Oh, I forgot. I have a massive freaking monitor. So let's do it this way. There we go. I told them to make it without hovering over so you can just look at it. This avatar? Oh, okay. I click on that thing? I'm confused. I click on this thing. That lets me respond to you. Click the left. Oh, for crying out loud. You're talking about... I'm a noob. I don't know what I'm doing. I just work here. That's cool. Thank you. I'm sitting here trying to click like the little tiny one. Like in the chat. I are a noob. Jesus. Yeah, I know. I'm in IT. Oh, man. All right, cool. Thanks, everyone, for putting up my nonsensical self. Like, what freaking thing am I pressing? I am the Jade Whisperer speaking. That's cool. I like that. Gotcha. I like that. Gotcha. That's cool. So you just look at that first. So when that pops up, you just kind of hover over. Like, wait, okay. That's pretty dope. That's smart. I like that. That's a cool ass feature. Right, yeah. So, and I'm guessing those keywords are randomized throughout for every single session. Now that's your keyword forever. That's your keyword forever, or does that keyword get refreshed every time a new session happens, or is that like a persistent keyword? You're more worth. Your albinaric staff of might. Is that on here? Oh, it is on here. Is that on here? Yeah, it is. First stream, I think. That's cool. Neato. Well, thank you. I appreciate you showing me around. All right. So before we get started in Elden Ring, smite me on my mighty smiter. I'm trying to do different things with like, cause you can just go in here. I can just go in and pick a character and say I'm gonna be this guy, and I always do that. But because I'm trying to learn more Python, I figure it'd be fun to do it. I like to do it on stream because then it also lets me teach back, which is great for solidifying knowledge. And then whoever else is interested in learning analytics and playing games, it kind of throws the two together and meshes data and gaming together. So I've been macking Fextra Life site all day, trying to pull down data, and I got everything I wanted to get except for the shields. I had to manually bring that in because whoever designed the shield comparison table needs a talking to on how to structure tables because all their tables had different column lengths. And then having Python to try and dynamically handle that didn't work. And I could have brought everything into different data sheets and then drop the columns I don't need and then concatenate the two. And I decided that was just too much code. It was easier just to freaking copy and paste a URL in and just manually do it in Excel. So I did it in Excel because why be consistent? Drove me absolutely bonkers. So yeah, mismatched data is obnoxious as all hell. Anyway, I tell that story to tell this story. So I pull all the data together, and now we have like now we have this massive spreadsheet of Elden Ring that has all the classes, all the weapons, all the shields, armor sets, talismans, spells, and ashes of war. Which are I think it's spirits in here. I didn't get spirits in here. But this is like the really important data that we're probably going to care about as we're building a character. And I like this because we can see everything at a level, at a glance, instead of going through like 3 different characters. Like, all right, which one has the better stats I'm going for? Which one has the better stats I'm going for? I'm not too concerned about what they start with. I mean, I know Samurai is like great to start with because you get Katana, so you're going a Katana build. That's probably a good one to start with. But I'm not too concerned about starting weapons at this point, so I didn't really pull it into my data set. So I wasn't really concerned about that. What I was more concerned about, all right, now that we have our stats, how are we going to build? What do we want to focus on as we build? I want to make. I always go for like. I want to do something with fists. I think either something with fists or something with really like big damage. So we're gonna look at the raw data first because it's always fun to take raw data and turn it into golden insights, which is like, you know, transmuting data into gold. And that's what, well, the brand's on. Data Alchemists. We're going to turn data into gold. Raw data into gold. So what I want to do now is that we have all our classes, but I want to start seeing as I start building a... Actually, I think I want to make a paladin. As I start looking at my my things here, which ones are best? So if we start looking at faith, I don't remember how to do this because I think I'm accessing this in a different way. So we're accessing this via. We're just reading the Python file, assuming the Excel file in a different way. So we'll get to the game in a second. I just have to recollect myself and actually how to filter on columns here because I don't really ever filter columns this way. I always do it directly from read Excel function and not the Excel file class, which is, we'll explain that later. There's different ways of accessing the file. I access the Excel file this way so I can access every single sheet. Where if you just read it in, you can access the data, but then you'd have to make a container or a variable for every single sheet you want to read. Whereas using it as this way allows you to loop through it and iterate through every single sheet that exists in your data frame so you can do analysis on it. So it's much easier to access it this way instead of trying to read it in and then make a variable for every single spreadsheet, for every single sheet you want to use. That's just annoying. An extra code we don't need. I mean, you can make a function around it, but still annoying. So I think we need to... All right, so I remember how I did this. I'm looking at my Lords of the Fallen data that I was putting together the other night. So I was playing a bunch of games with this, and I'm like, you know what? Why don't we just do this Elden Ring? Because I know the game. So this was my data I was doing for Elden Ring. I always try to find people who are like, I always wonder who's like interested in like gaming like this because I don't ever really see this. People just jump in and just equip this, equip that, go smack things, go punch this. And I do that too. I think it's great. Just punch things in their face. I love punching in their face. So get at me. But now taking it from a different perspective and spreadsheet analysis. So let's see. I want to do I got to filter down on classes. So that's right. So we can filter down the class here. Then I think we need to filter down on this way. We'll have to do an expression of filtering down on the... We have to also drop some columns. There's some columns in here I don't give a crap about. Especially in the weapons table. The upgrade type. So I grabbed the upgrade type because you know in Elden Ring, upgrade types it can affect your weapon differently. Each upgrade type can give you some type of different stats to go with at like the base level. So I brought them all in here, which is probably why you see weapons like repeated like 4 or 5 times. Is because it's accounting for every single specific type of upgrade you can go into. Cold, poison, quality, whatever the case. You can change that to, and then of course your stats change. So if I'm gonna choose a specific stat, I want to have that weapon repeated multiple times so they can filter on the upgrade type and then build my data off of that and build my character off that upgrade. So it's probably overkill for a game like this. Like, this probably really, really great for like a game like New World, but there's just no API for New World, and I'm not scraping data for a game like New World. Amazon needs to provide an API. All right, so we want to filter out on our specific class. So we're going to say over here, we're going to say filtered classes. Oops, I know I did that. Filtered classes is assigned to, how do I do this again? So filtered, oh no, I'm sorry. It's going to be, yeah, I'm right. Filtered classes equals df. Df df classes equal, oops. And then the name, nope, the column actually is class, is equal, we'll just, let's see. So I want to do faith, right? So we'll just look at, let's just see if, make sure my oop, I would help if I actually displayed that. There we go. We don't need this right now. So that's our confessor. Our confessor has 14 classes. So we can also then say we can then say or by name. I think we can actually do it by that. I like the game like this. I don't know. It's just, I feel like gaming for me lately has become just, I don't know, stale, I guess. So I've been trying to throw like education on top of it, and it's been a lot of fun. Oh, FYI, my game is not going to be, so I play on an ultra widescreen, and I usually use flawless widescreen to play Elden Ring, but because they just patched it, they haven't updated this yet. So it will probably look it might actually look a little strange for you. You might have black bars on the side. So unfortunately, until they actually patch this, I can't do nothing with it. Coding is love. Coding is love. I enjoy it. All right, so filter classes. So actually, I want to do it. Yeah, we have some good releases coming. Yeah, I mean, gaming in general has been pretty stale, but I'm just saying gaming in general overall for me has been not boring, just stale. Like, I needed something else to just do it. Is there like a rhombus camera shape? Is that new, or am I just blind? Yo, what's up, Stare? How are you, man? I'm sorry, freaking late responses. There are too many chats, dude. I don't know how people multi-stream. I suck at answering chats. I used a what is this? What is this? This is a where is my camera? It's in my filters on my camera. You add a, I went to properties. Hold on. Need an everything chat box. I have, yeah, because I'm on SharePlay too. So I'm like seeing those two chats, and then Twitch, a live space, and YouTube are all in one spot. I think I can make a noise though. Oh, yep. Noise that scared the shit out of me. So in OBS, yeah, you can set up a filter underneath your image mask blend. I set up the shape however I want, and then I mask it to my camera. So if I actually turn this off, it's just my regular camera, and then when I put that shape back on, it changes my OBS to it, my camera to that shape. So I like that. I did a circle, a triangle, something else. This stood out for me. I was like, that looks cool. I'm gonna get like a cool border effects around it. I don't use a green screen anymore. I gave my fiance the green screen. I'm like, I don't use this. She uses it for her son's like sports pictures and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. I had to text her. I'm like, hey babe, I'm gonna go stream. So she's like, where are you? There's not enough room in here for it, and it wouldn't look good of how close it is to me. I can't put it back far enough to actually make it work. So my fiance took it to use it for other things. But anyway, yeah, that's how I made that there. Or anyone else who wants to know. It's a image mask blend. Make a shape, enable this filter, and then add your shape to it. And then you have a cool looking camera. You can pretty much do any shape you like. He moved it to his OnlyFans. Dude, you know I got those cool. You have to get those cool feet pics in and like feet videos, and you need like to be on a beach when you're showing off your feet. That's important. So we go to like Jamaica. That white sand looks so nice, you know. Yeah, it's all about that. Oh, I remember I had to make. I feel they're having a brain fart. So I'm like newer to this, so we're gonna probably like look at old code that what I did. I'm trying to do it from memory, just not happening. That's right. So I want to take my columns. I think group through my columns, right? Maybe. If I say, look at that beautiful python. It's so much fun. Oh my god, hold on, guys. I'm like cooking. I'm cooking. Look at that. Look at that hair. Oh, holy snap. On my bed. Jeez. Woof. Oh. My hair is a mess. Otherwise, I wouldn't wear this, but my hair's a mess. I'm jealous. You're jealous? Jealous of what? I wish I could bring all the chats together so you guys all see each other talking. Cold as shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's on the screen, so I guess you can see it there, but... I'm sorry, Stare. What's the temperature by you? I think it's like 20-something degrees here, but I turned my heat on a little bit. And then my computer goes on. Woo! Hot as nuts in here. Alright, so... I did this last night. I went to stream last night. Maybe I set up for streaming, and then I literally started working on this, and then I looked up, and it was 10 o'clock. I'm like, oh, I guess I'm not streaming. So, what did I do last night? I'm just trying to recollect what I did last night. So, I made a scaling order. It's 11 right now. It warmed up from 11 degrees. There says it's Stairs on Twitch. You said it's 11 degrees by you. And I'm bitching that's like 28 degrees. Oh my gosh, it's like a heat wave over here. If you want to come visit. It was 4 when I left for work. Oh my goodness. 4 degrees. Dude, I don't know how you do that, man. I would die. Cold. I can't do the cold. I have Raynaud's disease, so as soon as I walk outside and it's cold, my hands turn blue. I have poor circulation. You'll trade him, Des? So let's just put these together so I can snap this. There we go. Okay, see what the frick I'm doing. So I made a scaling order last night. That we can do that later though. We'll leave that for later use. Right now it's classes. And I want to look at, and I think I want to do it this way. So I don't know what the hell I did last night. What was this doing? Extract new. Oh! I made functions to extract numeric. That's right. Extract scaling. Turn them into digits and alphas. We don't need to do this. We're gonna comment this out just so I ignore it. We don't care about that. I don't think I care about this either. Okay. -3 degrees. Des said it was -3 degrees outside earlier. That's unreal. Well, Jesus, I can't. I don't like the cold. I don't like the scorching hot either. I like a nice in between, like 70 degrees. All right, so I want to do. I know my classes. So I have to get the class sheet, which is what I have. Now that I have the class sheet, hold on, let me comment this out. So now that I have the class sheet, can I do df underscore classes dot? Df calls equals df underscore classes dot column. Can I do columns here, or is it not that type of object? I do hot waiter than cold, but y'all take nice. Yeah, I'd say he's not bad, man. I didn't think so. The index is not callable. Which means that makes me think I have to loop through it, right? I have to loop through the columns if I remember correctly. So I probably have to say for call in, I want to say what? Am I in my loop? I'm just breaking thing now. There we go. So for call in, bear with me as I am no pro at this. I do pretty good. It just sometimes takes me, like, this is newer to me how I'm accessing it. I have to figure out how, I have to teach myself as I go. I'm hoping with all this new knowledge, I can pass my test, my course I was taking. I got stuck on API and web scraping, and that's what I've been really focusing on outside. It's just web scraping, Fetch Your Life, and hitting like Blizzard APIs and Guild Wars 2 APIs, just so I can learn how to better data. Real good, man. Learning is always a good thing. Yeah, I'm addicted to it. I love learning. And we'll say Dex. I wonder if I could just grab. Nah, I still have to put freaking around quotations. Int. FTH. And then I gotta make sure these are all numeric. Actually, I think they're stored as text right now. I didn't change them inside the actual spreadsheet. So I'll probably do making sure that they're actually set to numeric. Which is what I'm gonna need to do here. Actually. So I'm glad I learned how to do that last night. So we're gonna learn how to, I'm copying my code from last night, and I'm always transparent. I use my books, but I also ask lots of GPT and Google questions, and then I work through it. I'm like, all right, what am I doing? And GPT's nice because I try not to ask for the answer. I'm like, just give me hints on what I need to do, and it usually gives you like skeleton code, and then from there you gotta figure out the code. See you next week. 5 o'clock comes early. Yeah, it does, man. Have a good night. Prophets, thanks for popping in. I'll talk to you later, dude. I gotta figure out everyone's schedule so I can figure out when people are streaming so I can like pop in and see them and hang out with them. It's like I always keep seeing the same regulars here, so I'll make sure we get around and hang out. What am I doing? Fates. Oh, Arc. That's the last one. Arcane. Have you been streaming lately, Star? Or you just been pretty quiet by you? So now I think we can do that, and then we'll do. We're gonna say I don't want to set this as is numeric. How do I make this is? How do I say this is numeric again? I don't think I need to make that. I think I need to say all dot is numeric. Now this should change everything to a numeric. Then we can say display. Actually, we'll say convert to num equals. I'm gonna say display. I'm not gonna really tell it, but I just want to make sure like this is working. Oh, it's not. Oh, I'm saying I'm asking is column numeric, and right now it's saying all these are false. So how do I change this to numeric? Is what I want to do. Is to numeric col dot. is upper. So that was a method of asking it, hey, are you numeric? And it came back with all the things saying no, we're not. So that was a good thing we stumbled on. What How do I make that work? How do I make that work? Let's see. We're gonna ask GPT saying I have several columns in my data set that I need to convert from text to numeric in a spreadsheet. Give me a hint on how to get there. I started doing a for loop since I'm accessing it via the Excel file class. Is it? That's fine. Thanks, GPT. I thought I had it on here. Oh, that's how I do that. Duh. That's what I was looking for before. That's how I do it. I was like, I know how to do this. I'm just being stupid. But I have to change this to numeric first. Oh, you know, I think it's PD. I think it's gonna be PD dot to numeric, and then we say all. And I'm going to parse vig string at position 0. I don't know what that means. We just delete this and just do. Can't parse at position 0. Now it's PD. This gave me skeleton code, so I'm really not the hell sure with this. It gave me my 4 column and then pretty much told me to figure it out. Thanks, GPT. Alright, I don't want to ask any further because it will give me the answer. So it gave me this, and then it was like, your convert code. I'm like, oh, okay, thanks. That's what I already did. DF. I thought I had this here.
I swore I did this already once. I just can't remember how to do it.
Did I do it like in a different area to bring it to numeric? Oh. Scale to numeric. Get scale. Not the. Is that right? Is that right? All right. What if I put like the DF classes in front of this? I don't know. What if I do this as like a. That didn't work. Oh. No, probably. Oh, wait, no, I didn't do that. My brain's gonna pop. If I did. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have a feeling I have to bring in my data frame somewhere. Right? This is my data frame right here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna say I don't know. Let's do once we have this, we can start picking our character, guys. I'm sorry. Trying to figure this nonsense out. I'm gonna say DF classes, and then I'm gonna say I think I have to bring in the column again, because this is what this is. Right? This is the actual column that we want to. So what's happening is we're giving a list of we can actually do this, like so things can make more sense. Calls to convert. Let's do it this way. Class calls to convert. Then you just give it this list. And then we can put in here in our variable of class columns to convert. And what's going to happen is this for loop is going to hit the Viagra. Yeah, the Viagra. The the Vigor stat, then mind, then it so it hits Vigor, and then it goes back to column, and then column becomes VIG. And then it reads this one, and then it stores in the memory as MD. And then does it again, it becomes END. Until you have all those stored in this little variable that we created here, and loops through this list until it reaches the end. And that's what we're doing here. PD. We could say this again, right? Yeah. Think. What the hell did I did this the other night? When I want to do this in place, though. I remember doing this in place in this. Actually, I do want to do this in place. It's going to be PD2 numeric. I think we're going to say this again, DF underscore. Classes, all these columns that we need here, right? Then we're going to say coerce or think. Coerce? Oh no, errors. That's what it was. It was errors and incurs. Errors equals COERCE. We can say in place. That didn't work. That didn't work. Why am I not remembering this? Oh no, chat. Shave. If I can't do in place. See, oh, maybe I have to do. Oh, yeah, it has to be a string. That's why it says literal. So errors, and then it's a string, and then you can probably do in place. And in place means you'll update my data to become all numeric. So now if we do that. Oh, in place doesn't exist. All right. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. Nice. All right. There we go. So the way it works is that we take our variable, which is up here, which holds our classes sheet. We then are displaying that sheet. Actually, we probably want to display it down here now. I'm thinking about it. Why is it being displayed twice? Oh, because I'm in the for loop. Ah, you butthead. If I do this, actually. Or not. Dot. But how I know this got converted? So... Oh, I think this is the way we do it, right? There we go. So now we are... Yep, look. Now it's an integer. Because now we're accessing all the variables in this column. We're accessing all these columns inside of this variable that we created through here, displaying it, and when it comes out, it's showing that vigor, which is index 0, is 11. It's a number, and we know that now that it is a data type of an integer 64. Cool. So perfect. So now what we can do is I'm going to change this around for stat call. I'm working with, so things are meaningful. And then we can scroll up here, and I think we can say for now we can say our starting class. Our starting class is equal to classes underscore df, df classes. I have a different start call. Stat call, which was called up here and created in here, so it's still accessible because this is accessible to the whole script. If it was called in here, like we created it somewhere else that was maybe internal to a specific function, we couldn't access it. But because it's here, we can grab it and do whatever we want with it. And now we want to say, we'll do this back up here. We'll do display. Display. Yeah. We can just run this part of code. No, that didn't work. All right, cool. Now we can run that, and now we can actually take a look at like kind of everything that's here. So we know everything right off the bat. And I want to see anything that is stat call. And we can say stat. So starting class, df classes. I'm a little confused here because, like I said, I haven't done it like this before. Starting class, df classes. Here's my brain. How's a good tequila? Oh, margarita. I'll drink with the rest of the night. Chapstick's not here? Because normally you would do it. Would it be like that? Oops. And then the stat call. No, something's weird. And we could say vigor is greater than 9. I think we're gonna need here though. Oh. That's not right. The starting class, TF classes. POI Alliance was not closed. The DF classes. Classes all. Oh, stat all, excuse me. Or what I do, yeah, classes call, what's that call? Is assigned to DF classes. DF classes VIG is greater than 9. Comms must be the same length key. Huh? Must be the same length. Yeah, but I'm trying to filter on this column. Well, because DF classes dot is numeric. So let's just try this. Let's just try it. DF classes. Starting classes is going to be equals DF class. Mother fudger. DF classes. Boom. Right. And then we do parentheses DF classes. And we're going to say it's going to be VIG or bigger. And it's going to be greater than 9. Display starting classes. Oh, that worked because it dropped to 2. Okay. So we can get rid of this one now. Comment that out. And then we'll say, all right, so now we're going to get into filtering. Cool. Figured it out. Sarait? Sarait. So we brought this in here, changed it to numeric, called this back in the columns. We're turned all the columns back into, and then we just call back the DF classes. Gotcha. So we want to look at anything that has FTH. It's greater than 9. We're going to copy and paste this right here. And DF classes. You want to be agility or strength focused? Paladins normally focus on strength, right? When you think of a paladin, what do you think of? I want to use a big hammer. Like when I think of a paladin, I think of a big hammer with the ability to smite his enemies, and he can switch out to a stick and board if he needs to, which probably means I have to be a strength build. So with that, we can be a confessor, a wretch, or a prophet. Prophets has 10 vigor, 14 mind, 8 endurance, 11 strength, 7 intellect, and 16 faith with 10 arcane. That's actually not too bad. Wretch has 10 everything, so... So those are the 3 classes that we can start out with for building a paladin. So Prophet has 1 less strength. Prophet seems to win over the Confessor. The Prophet's a caster to start out with, right? Right? The Prophet's a caster? Oops. Yeah. Gonna spear, some shield. Oh, we're actually getting so that actually oh they both start with that. So while he would start with a sword and shield, he would start out with also a lower level, which is better for us to level up in. It's alright, so the Prophet's gonna win. Let's check out our weapons. So now what we're gonna do, we have our thing here. We can then say we'll make a comment here, filtering on stats starter class. Now what we're gonna say we can comment this out. We don't need this anymore. What the? All right. Now I can say class selected. And this will be class selected the variable. And we will filter this down to the classes is classes, and our choice was confessor. What we prophet. This is then the name class is equal to prophet. Oops. And there it is. Now we have our class selected. Cool. Now don't need that anymore. Now we gotta look at our weapons. So there's a bunch of weapons you can choose from, and now we want to do the same thing. We want to look at anything. So we want to look at. We're gonna do filter weapons. And we're gonna say filter weapons. Filter weapons. We want filter weapons on, chat. We want filter weapons on. Hope it's having a good night. I'm almost done with this. Then we can start jumping in and smacking things around. I just want to get like an idea. I'm not really concerned about armor either. Armor is more gonna be of how much we want to roll. I'm not gonna make a floppy tank. Like, whoa. So I'll probably have like something between medium and heavy. I'm not too concerned about the armor. And then we'll have to figure out how, the Ashes of War. But right off the bat, we just want to start off like with our class and maybe understand like what weapons we want. Or faith-based. And then start looking for Ashes of War. Because then we have our class. Like we have our foundation of what we want. So filtered weapons is going to be DF weapons. DF weapons on. Is it going to be type? We got type. I'm going to say Great Hammer. Great Hammer. Nope, I have Glintstone Staff. I have Colossal Sword. Is it Colossal Hammer? What the hell is the freaking... I have it here, actually. Oops. Because I was messing around with other things. I'm just trying to figure out how to get... Oh, I don't have type in here, though. Oh, snap, Oris. I thought I had type. Well, I can just go affect your life, I guess. Oh, I can just go to the web to spreadsheet. You know what? String. Doesn't have that string. Starts with. Oh, I'm a butthead. Chat, don't. String contains. Type Warhammer. So, how about ham? Well, it has Warhammer in here. I don't buy that. How about Colossal? Colossal? Do I not have all the weapons? Now I have to look at my file. Damn it. Thrusting sword, colossal weapon, curved sword. Can we sort this, please? How do I sort this? Filter, horizontal. What's the sort button? Filter. Dude, could you imagine if you launch a car? I would die. A remake, dude. I would take off like a whole month from work. Like, I'm really sorry. I have this important thing I have to do. I have to travel through time and stop Lavos from destroying Earth. And I must go to many different eras, medievals and prehistoric and like 1990 AD. Yeah, I know it's backwards, but still, like I had to save the world. Like Lavos is coming. I gotta take a month off. Might take me a while to travel through all the time. While it might feel like a day for you, it's gonna be a month for me. Oh, look at that! I can see everything in here. Warhammer. Oh, it is Warhammer. I'm sitting here telling the game it's not Warhammer. You're wrong. You know what you're talking about. It's Great Hammer. No, it's Warhammer. I just think the game's wrong. Dude, Crown Trigger. Dude, Crown Trigger. I need a remake on that game, like a good remake, not a Chrono Cross freaking disaster. A good, like, nurture that shit, like love it and kiss it like it's a newborn. All right, go, Bobby. Analytics. uh okay, so it is Warhammer. Hammer. Oh, does it have to be like has to be exact? All right. So there's 26 rows that this thing can show. So we're only showing 15. Let me drop out head for from here, and now we're filtering out. You're giving me all 26. Oh, it's giving me there's 130. It's 134 Warhammers. Jesus Christ. What I don't have on here is what we're missing in terms of like skills. Ah, damn it. I forgot because all right. This is gonna be a problem. So oh, come on. You have dot head, but not dot duplicates? Drop. Fart. You have dot drop. I spelled drop duplicates. Dupe. Lee cats. Ah, son of a bitch. Alright, whatever. That's gonna be the only problem the way I brought those weapons in. Now I'm thinking about it. Oh, damn it. Dot head, give me the first 30 that you have. How do I reduce this? I only want to see you. Is there dot unique? There's got to be a way to see that. There has to be a way to say I only want to see the unique values. Oh, damn it. Doesn't exist. All right, hold on. I'm not just I don't know how to do unique, so we're gonna get the answer from this one. How do I show unique values? Thinking about it. I'm probably gonna Google it. ChatGPT's been having a freaking stroke lately. So, oh wait, it's responding. Yeah, the unique method in pandas. I just did that, and it told me it doesn't have a function called pandas. Oh, called pandas. Do I have to filter it? I just did that. I said to try doing it on a type column too, but it didn't let me. I have no idea what the hell this thing just said. So it completely broke. ChatGPT's having a massive stroke lately. I don't know what's wrong with it. Goes with NA. Unique types filter. Oh. I gotcha. I see what it wants me to do. I understand now. And then it wants you to take unique types and then say filter weapons on the type column and say dot unique and then display this. Let's get better results. I didn't give me unique types. Actually, it did. Chat. He's driving me crazy. Print unique types. Not giving me, so the problem is that okay, great, it's giving me those uniques, but it's not keeping everything else that I need. The problem is that we're losing the rest of the data frame when we do it like this. Filter weapons. I didn't give you any. None of the index Warhammer are in the column. I'm so confused. So, yes, this works. However, we lose the data. We lose all the other data from it. To show unique values in a type column of the DF weapons data frame after filtering with the rows and while retaining all the other DF, you can use a two-step process. First, apply a filter, right, which we did. Then use the dot unique method on the type, right, which is what I did. I did all that. Assuming DF weapons is your data frame, right? You filter the data frame, right? Which we did. Filter weapons, blah, blah, blah. We're going to filter down to DF frame. String contains Warhammer. Oh, this thing just had another freaking brain fart. I was up with freaking GPT, man. It's like just ridiculous. Right. And a false, get unique values. Print. Yeah, I did that. Right. Unique types, filter weapons. Dot. Unique. Oops. That's if I display. Filter weapons, unique types, filter weapons, type dot unique. I don't know. Alright, we'll figure this out, I guess, as we play. But I definitely want to use some type of hammer. I don't know why this isn't working. I don't have skills. That's the only thing that screws me up too. Does Fetch Your Life has skills? I think it does, right? My goal is eventually to build a better wiki. So I honestly can't. I appreciate the people who provide to this, the people who maintain it, but it needs love. So if we go to see, there was great. I know there's great. I know I wasn't going crazy. That means it's not in my data set. I don't have great hammers in my data set. Where the hell is Warhammers coming from then? I don't even see Warhammers. I have great axes, great spears, ballistas, great Albert's hammer. I have hammer. Where are Warhammers coming from? Hmm. So confusing. Guys, it's absolutely confusing. So, what I want... That's confusing. So these are great... Where is a Warhammer coming from? I'm so confused. They have... No. They do! Stop it. Oh my god, this data is ridiculous. So in one area of the website, they call a great hammer. On the Fexer Life website, they call it a great hammer. In the section that I pulled it down, they call it a warhammer. What does the game call it? I'm going to presume great hammer? Elden Ring, great hammer. Okay, Elden Ring, Warhammer. Yeah, it's great hammers. Ooh. I don't understand how or why. Unless there's a different thing called a war. Unless that falls underneath colossal weapons. Am I losing my mind? Am I? It's gonna screw up all my... I mean, it's not gonna screw up my data analytics. It's just... Well, it might, because I might not have the right list of great hammers. And it's potentially possible that the only one... How many... Let's open up the spreadsheet for reals. So if we go over to weapons and we just filter this out, do filter and we just look for Warhammer. And then we just do equals unique. And just give me all of A. Well, that didn't help me at all, now did it? Again. Equals unique. I have 14 Warhammers. Now, if we go to Fexulife's website, go to equipment and go to weapons, and we go to great hammers, we look at the and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. But are these warhammers? Great mace. Yeah, great mace. Let's sort this. Battle hammer. Battle hammer. Beast saw. Great hammer. Okay. Great saw. So these just need to be changed. Okay, I have all the right data. They just... Why would they name it so different, so oddly? In one area of the site, in another area of the site, like... I don't know who worked on... I don't know if different people work on different things and whatnot, so it's just... It's just interesting. So it's great hammers, but... Okay. Just need to know. Make sure I'm not going nuts. Well, since we're here, and because I don't have the right... Alright. There's only 14 of them. Well, now that I did that, can I take drop dupes equals filtered weapons on type, and then say dot drop dupes? No, drop duplicates. Has no drop dupes. Serious job. Had no option to drop dupes. What about just doing this way? That parameter? Whatever. Dot unique. And then whatever. All right, so I'll do this, and then we're gonna say, and DF weapons. I do what we did up here. Wait, is the scaling broken too? I just think I think the table I pulled from on the site is just not good. I have to pull from the individual weapons, I think. Oh no, it's good. There you go. So strength, dex. Okay. So we wanted to scale with strength and faith. So we'll have to say FIA and STR. So STR and strength is... Oops. We'll at least want strength to be a B. So we'll say is greater than D. Open that up. And then this, we'll say the same. I give us 58 rows at a 26. Well, if I say greater than B, oh, I want to say faith. Sorry, FAI. What? Okay, how about greater than D? How about... Oh, you know what? Not and. Or faith. is greater than C. There we go. The problem is that we have so many freaking. I'm gonna have to re-pull this data for weapons. And what I think we're gonna have to do. Well, the main reason why I did this is because look, if you have max heavy upgrade weapons in Elden Ring, like we know that strength is gonna scale to an S. And then if we have the battle hammer and we look at this, we're looking for, the royal battle hammer. We can only see that it scales with these two. And then if we have the staff of the guilty, we see that it only scales with the standard. Tree spear is, so that's what I was trying to do. Like, okay, troll's hammer is not bad either. I can't see faith. So I wonder if I could say somewhere to use specific columns. Like, I don't need all this crap right over here right now. I would want to lower this to say use balls df weapons dot oh gosh, I think I did this before. I shouldn't have done this if I did it. Well, we can do this really fast. We can do, it won't be the same thing, but we can do, what the? Okay. What we can do, what is going on here? My freaking kid. All right. What I can do is df equals pd.read Excel is a different file I got from Reddit that we can read in. And let's say filtered weapons equal to df df actually I probably print up the columns on this first. Weapon type, okay. Now we can say filtered. I'm gonna have to call it night as long. I got a lot going on at the moment, but it's good catching your stream. And yo, Des, thanks for hanging out, dude. Hope all's good. I will talk to you soon, man. You too, man. Be safe. I'll talk to you later, man. Have a good night. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Filtered weapons. Geez, we're like 2 hours in. I got nothing accomplished. Actually, I can't lie. We got a lot accomplished. In like learning department, got a lot accomplished. He's not playing Elden Ring. I don't know what he's doing. He's coding. This isn't Elden Ring. No, it's not. I enjoy doing this. This is more fun than just pushing buttons. Because by building my character in a different way. Filter weapons. Filter weapons. Excuse me. Should be DF. DF weapon type. Weapon type is equal to great. What? Oh, we'll say dot string dot contains. are valid indices? Didn't I just do this? Am I losing my mind? DF. Oops. DF. Weapon. Type. Equal to. What the hell? All right, let's print this. Maybe this isn't the way I'm trying to display it. Nope. Okay. I'm going to just call it filtered weapons. Okay. Oh, for crying out loud. It's Warhammer here, too. CR. I don't know what that means. Where's this erroring out? It's right here. Filtered weapons, DF, blah, blah, blah. Why is NumPy kicking in? Oh, I'm an idiot. Weapon type. That means there's probably an extra space in there somewhere. Oh, weapon TIPUE, or spelled wrong. Like the way I have it. Jeez Louise. What? Oh. There we go. Thank you. I'm gonna have to fix this. Or just pull this into my... Let's just do that really quick. It has everything I need. Let's just fix it. Let's just fix my freaking weapons table really fast. I'm not going to delete the one I have. What I can do is eventually use it to match up things and pull in the other stuff and run different queries on it. For specific reasons I might need later. All right, so we'll say weapon upgrades. We'll call this weapon upgrades. And then we'll make a new one called weapons. And then we'll open up this file that I have in here as well. Copy this over into this. This is from a Reddit. I forget the person who made this, but thank you. Is going to help. Actually, let's just do this really fast. Let's just paste. Hi, cat. Let's paste our our values only. Okay, paste values. Now we have everything we need to have, so everything's set up correctly. Base heavy, base magic, crit, blah, blah. Perfect. We have like 257. It's missing some weapons. So 208 weapons altogether, I thought, in Elden Ring. Let's fix this one, actually, and make a weapon type. Documents. What? It's because we have it opened up in here, and it makes it consistent. Let's close out of this right now. We should be able to save it now. Alright. So So I'll move this back over here. Let's just sheet 2. Delete this. No, put it right back where it was. No, I'm making a copy of it. Try to save it now. Come on. All right, so it's closed. Let's reopen this mofo. Make sure everything got saved correctly. Yep. So this will be here. I'm going to drop this to the end. This will come in handy. Let's actually do this. Let's do insert. I'll do another insert. And we'll do text to columns really fast. I'll call this passive value. I'll call this the passive description. I'll do text to columns. And we will take a parenthesis. Oops, go back. Take a parenthesis and open parenthesis. Drop that. Did it go anywhere else? Was there other things I got moved over into? No, it's fine. And then we'll say drop the other parenthesis. Replace all of them. And there you go. Oh, I see what it did. It's about up here. Passive value. Delete this. Now we have these in a specific number, and if they, and that's nice because this works nicely. Now we have unique weapons, and if like I needed to figure out like, you know, hey, I want to see, like if you want to see like the upgrade equals X lookup all of A. Actually, not all of A. Say I want to get the upgrade on, you know, maybe the stats on this on A2. Oops. On A2, the weapon upgrades. I'll match all of that. Our return value will be this. If it doesn't match, give me a star. Huh? Oh, go ahead. I'm gonna smack this thing. Equals X lookup. Right, A2. Lookup array will be here all the way down. The return array here. If it's not found, give me a star. Yes. Now the only problem is what I'm gonna have here is if I bring this back. Okay, it's only there once. All right. I'll have to worry about this later. Anyway, that's cool. Nothing to worry about right now. Only that as we level up and whatnot. But for now, we have the data that we need. We shouldn't have to change anything around, but now we can actually manipulate our data correctly, which is importante. All right, close that out. I'm back on my Elden Ring workspace. Close this down just so we can see it. We don't need to, we can delete this stuff now. All right, we have to change type around to what? And look at all that shit. So weapons. Which one did I update? Oh, it's right there. I was like, did I lose all those freaking? So I think everything's capitalized, right? Strength and everything like that. Yeah. Okay. We have to make sure it's all capital. All right. Cool. So we gotta do STRFAI. Boom. Now we can see all our weapons that are a specific um specific things. We can look at the Halo Scythe that has a strength, a starting of D, C, D. Great Sword. Didn't I say only Warhammer? Get rid of this NA Fall stuff. Why'd you show me all of that? Weapon type, string contains. String dot is in. Mm. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Come on. Contains dot. Oh, dot in. Duh. I think that's right. Maybe. No. That's gonna be contains. Why is it not filtering it down to just Warhammer? I'm paying everything, including Warhammer. That means my logic's wrong. Okay. So anything that's greater than... So Faith popped up. Let's say less than D. Less than B. Ooh, that's bad. So nothing. So it's Ash. Everything's an Ash of War. So the brick hammer. The base heavy is 259. The base magic is 460 damage. See, that's what I should do. Is instead of doing the tables from there, I should figure out what the base damages are for all the other nonsense. So I think the way I was thinking about it is that D is... Oh, can we just comment this part out? No. How many columns do we have? There's 14 of them. Okay. So if I say less than B, what does that do for me? And then see all the A's. All right, that's not what I want. So both less than D, which gives me all of them. How about less than C and less than D? Surge of Faith. The Canary Vassal's candle stand. It has a The brick hammer has strength. Scale of S. All right, so we're gonna call this filtered warhammer. Filter warhammers. Oh, excuse me. That's too many, so we'll do a heavy thrusting sword, so H dot thrusting sword. Less than B. Less than A. Nothing? I guess thrusting swords doesn't really have B. Oh, it's a colossal sword. How much strength do you need for that, though? You need 30 strength and 10 dexterity? Is that what's required? Okay, chill out. Knocking my camera around. All right, so doesn't matter. But I think I want to go with warhammers. They're pulling some of the highest faith here. It looks like. Let's do I'll do a butthead. Altered words. I did less than S. What happens there? Yeah, H thrusting sword. I should have faith. The Godskin Stitcher. The Great EP. The Great PP. All right. All right. I think I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but I know we're gonna make a profit. I'm gonna keep futzing around with this. My next goals after this is now we're going to figure out how to take all this, like, and as we're leveling up, and calculate all these different things. I want to use faith. I don't know how much faith I want to put into my character yet, so I don't know if I should make faith my tertiary, my primary, and then strength my secondary, and then like vigor my tertiary, or do I make, you know, what's next? So I have an idea. Surge of Faith. Let's see what this does. Let's look this up. So standard to 10. There you go, Surge of Faith. Oh, that's cool. This is unique skill. Deals 41 stance damage. This skill is not chargeable. Raising aloft to rain down fireballs in all directions. This requires faith. Requires 26 stamina, strength, 22 faith, 8 dex. Looks fun though. The value of the weapon and where changed. Please refer to upgrade table as his weapon below. Weapon has changed. Other notes players go here. It's gonna do some decent damage. Damage reduction. Oh, that's what this is. This is all damage reduction. Okay. Passive effects, any. So it'll get to B and D scaling for the greatest. But couple that with some faith spells, and that could be fun. I'm gonna go with this as my primary weapon. Our secondary weapon, let's see if we have shield. So selected weapon. Oops. It's going to equal DF weapons. DF weapons. Name. This guy right here. We should be able to filter out this. Dot string contains what? Was it weapon name? Stop. Hey, you got up here and be annoying. Yeah, it's name. Oh my goodness. Why is it not finding? Oh, I'm stupid. No. How did I do it up here? Yeah, exactly. The F class's name, it should just be equals. It should just be equals, right? It's not finding it. Which makes me believe there's something wrong with that, with those areas, with that. Let's try and grab this guy. Banished Great Knight's Sword. Let's just try that one. So I can't filter on name. That's freaking weird. Dot string dot contains. Wow. Am I not doing something right? DF weapons, weapon type. Oh, for crying out loud. There we go. I guess because of where I had it. I don't think we're going to use this. I'm not really caring for the... The brick hammer seems to have like the best strength and decent faith, but it's freaking Mario's hammer. He's like, oh, to me, Mario, where's my hammer? I mean, it's very focused on... This is what I need to do. This is how I'm going to set it up. That's how we're going to set up my table. I'm going to change things around with it. Brick. I have to figure out how to do that, though. Maybe do the weapon name, and then these will be columns across as well. And then a side. I don't know. I have to figure out how to do that. All right, so not brick hammer. Labyrinth skull. Rotten battle hammer. It's more. That'd be great for arcane. Let's just do something really fast. Let's just look at all the warhammers. Great mace, great stars, great horn hammer. Funny, you figure when I think about paladin, I think of people who are like would use a hammer, would have high like faith like areas. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's no space, that's why. The great EPP sounds fun. The great Epi. You need 15 strength and 16 dexterity to use it. Probably means it scales well with dexterity. Yeah, it scales well with everything. And more like dex build than it is like a faith build. Strength faith. I close that out. I'm gonna close it out. All right, so let's roll back the way we had it, and let's look at less than a and brings us to the brick hammer. How if I say greater than D? What does that do for me? Nothing. How about greater than C? I mean less than C. Nope. Envy's Longhorn. That's high faith, doesn't it? It sounds like all the weapons are going to end up on faith. Let's just let's find all the weapons that have high faith. Let's figure out the weapon type and let's look at the faith. So we have this. Let's say filtered stats equals df underscore weapons. Now let's say is FAI and is less than S. Pat, you get in trouble here. Stop it now. Jeez. Or how about greater than A? Or how about anything that's greater than E? Can we do that? Oh, helps if I freaking actually print it out. Let's try that again. Oh, here we go. It goes a bunch of rows. So anything that's faith. Less than A. C. So that means A is the greatest. I mean, A is the greatest. So if we say greater than E, what do we get? Or less than E. We get everything. But then if we say less than S, we still get everything. How about greater than S? Nothing. All right, that's so weird. All right, we're going to have to make a scale for this. For this to work correctly. And can we do that? Can we do and? Okay, let's stop it. No, can you stop? Stop. You're gonna knock over the camera. Stop. Where's your toy? Brazo. Shows you how to cause trouble. Like she gotta jump in here and she likes to cause trouble. And it stresses me out. Can I put this in parentheses? We'll do. Yeah, that's gonna be weird to do it that way because usually you have to give it like some type of string and then you can say, hey, all right, so not what I wanted, not what we need. That gives us more to choose from. A great mace, which is funny. You think of I thought faith should be like faith would be more focused to on like a mace or a hammer, and it's not. So it makes me scratch my head. Like what? Let's filter out these filter out swords. Let's look at curve swords, dexterity. Let's look at those. I don't think colossal weapons would have be. There'd be more strength and dex, right? They wouldn't really be focused on about reapers. The scythe, wing scythe. I think I've used that before. Oh, I used it. I don't think I had a faith-based character. It's funky. Like I'm trying to. I'm gonna just stick with the one I originally had. It has good faith, low dex, doesn't have arcane or intellect, but it has low strength, so it's gonna end up doing like mediocre damage. But if we look at the scaling, like if we go back to this and we look up the scaling, if we change this to like faith based, how's that gonna do with that? Is it gonna increase our scaling? Hello. Oh, wikis. Cat, what are you doing? Are you playing with the lights? You're hilarious. She's playing with the LED lights so they keep blinking. So these are only standard, and so it's a special weapon. It's a unique weapon. It can only scale to B strength and B faith, which just seems silly for a. I feel like I'll be outpaced, right? I don't know. It sounds fun to me, so we're gonna use it. I don't care. All right. Well, if we got a sword and shield later, let's go play now. It's almost 10 o'clock. So we said we're going to profit. We should name this dude. That one. Profit. Oh, mother fudger. Huh. That one profit. I hit B. There we go. Okay. Type A, yes. Young, mature, or old. Well, we'll do mature. Keepsake. I always do the golden seed. What are we gonna look like? Let's see. A truth seeker, an aristocat, a loner, a northerner, a seafarer, a reedlander, a draconian, a night folk, or a Newman. Numa. I think I'm gonna be an aristocrat. Actually, I think a prophet is a seeker of truth. I thought we were gonna do mature. Mature sounds cool. Cat, what are you doing? There's nothing up there. Psst. No, nothing up there. You can't go up there. You can't jump up there. Hair. We should have like, I'm a prophet. I should have like, I don't know. We could be whatever heck we want. I think I want to be. Where's that ponytail I had going on? Not that one. There was a ponytail. Like, that's cool. That's like messy ponytail prophet hair. I like that. We're going to do that. Then our hair color as a prophet, I'm thinking. Kind of orangey. Like a burnt orange. What are you looking at? You're starting to creep me out now, Kid Cat. Yeah, like that, like a burnt orange. That's cool. Luster? I don't know what that means. What happened to my hair? Oh. Root darkness? What are you looking at? There's nothing up there. Creeping me out. Like I have shiny hair. Yeah, he's greasy. You want to be grayish? With luster. That's cool. I'm good with that. I'm liking that. Eyebrows. It should match all the hair, but what type of eyebrows? I want fuzzy eyebrows. Like caterpillar. There we go. Perfect. Caterpillar. Facial hair. Yep, we should always have a facial hair. I think I should have like a big beard. Like, hello, I am your new prophet. Stubble? Can't even see it anymore, but we got... I liking that. I liking that. Eyelashes. I should have really long eyelashes, because that's just... Everyone should have long eyelashes. Should match my hair. Carpet should always match the drapes. Can you stop? You're being very rude tonight. We played today. I don't know what more you want. We played, we ate, played again, we ate some more. Oh, you ate some more. What color should my eyes be? I think my eyes should be like bright. I want purple eyes. But like dark purple eyes. Yeah. That's cool. Wait, why can't I match them? Okay. Right eye white color? I don't know what that means. Oh, we can match. Yeah, everything should be purple. Right clouding? No, make it purple. Wait, why is that dark? Yeah, we got like purpley eyes going on. Skin features, pores, skin luster. What does that mean? We're shiny? I like that. That's cool. Dark circles? No, we don't have dark circles. Actually, maybe some dark circles. And I think they should be red. Or maybe black. Or orange. No, they should be colored in the eyes. Nah, maybe no dark circles. Cosmetics? Nah. Not feeling makeup. Tattoos? Or a mark? Oh, I should be marked. What should I be marked with? Or should I have a tattoo of some sorts? Ooh, a prophet eye. That's perfect. Oh, no. Tattoo color? Nope, we're going to make that stand out. We're going to make it like a lightish red. There we go. That's right where it should be. Perfect. Eye patch. Nah. Cool. Maybe I'm a prophet. We're a little bit skinnier. A large chest. Decent sized legs. Body hair? Yeah, we could be a hairy dude. Look at that. That's cool. That's a very different type of character I make. Let's go. Finally, 2 hours. We're finally playing. Well, we did a lot of analysis. Oh, we have to get all the way till land of the giants. So as we're building, we're just gonna use any weapon that we can at this point. Level up as we go a little bit.
Tell a story.
Go rewatch all this. We watched it so many times. Oh yeah, you guys. Oh, you guys don't have black bars, or do you? Yeah, you do. Sorry, I can't fix that because of reasons. I just gotta remember these controls. All right, we're gonna get our asses kicked. I've never beaten this boss brand new. You know what? I'm thinking on all these games I play, I never actually did a new game plus. I always just make a new character. And don't beat it again. I think I beat the game maybe. Ooh. No. Maybe twice. I'm gonna fight this big old man. I wish I would just add freaking support to this natively. Well, that didn't last long. I didn't even try. I was like, or whatever. I'm not gonna go through the tutorial. Or should I? Do I get something from the tutorial? No, right? I don't get anything crazy from it. Oh man, I love this game. Rest out here. Increase our flask. Yes, please. Alright, moving on, because that's just going to be helpful. We'll grab this here. And off we go. Now, normally we end up fighting freaking what's his first name, the first boss. But we're gonna level up a little bit. I love my orange hair. I'm so glad I want the orange hair. That's cool. Wow. God, I remember first logged. I wish I did stream this the first time I actually played this.
Oh, yes. Come to the lands between for the... Of course you have. No shame in it. Without guidance, you are fated.
Hold on. Let's just do some quick things, yeah? Advanced settings. Maximum. Let's say custom, okay. Ray tracing off. I also don't want... Where is it? Oh, it is off. Okay. Motion blur. I don't play with motion blur. I feel like it ruins it.
Luckily for me. Are you familiar? You may also
Yeah.
it will lead you, even if it graces to Castle Storm, the home.
Godfrey, that's what we have to kill.
It's to castles if you seek. It's to castle if you seek the Elden.
Maidenless as you are. I love how he's like, that's the first thing he thinks. Oh, you're maidenless, are you? I'm like, yeah, I guess so. A small golden effigy. I'm gonna go visit Santa. Santa's over here. What's up, Santa? Oh my gosh, what is this expansion gonna be like? Why does this have a dip in freaking like 12 frames? That was weird. Did I pass stupid dude? Did I attract the big boss? Get the hell out of here. No, I didn't. Wait, where the hell is the stupid first place I want to go to? Alright, cool. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna fight this guy already? I'm gonna die. There it is. I went the wrong way. I just realized there's a maiden hanger from there. I messed up. Church of LA. LA? What you doing? How are you, LA? I have no shovel. It's snowing outside. Oh, I don't know. It's supposed to. Oh. You guys supposed to get? We're supposed to get 3 inches tonight. Oh, I gotta see if it's snowing now. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Let's check if it's snowing. Okay, I'm back. It's snowing out there, kitty. The weather outside is frightful. The fire so delightful. Hello, Santa.
You're a Tawny, and I can also see that you're not. Then why not purchase? I am.
No, I'm a paladin. I'm a good guy. I am following the light. I am a warrior of the light. I'm here to save. God, I'm itchy. I gotta shave this damn beard. Man, I turned 40 years old, and it's like, I look in the mirror the other day. I'm like, I have nose hair. I was like, how do I have nose hair? I had to buy a trimmer and shove that thing up. Now, that was the worst thing ever. Up near ear, I'm like, what is happening? I gotta do my eyebrows next. Buzz those nicely too. And get hairy like in the weirdest places. I'm like, that's unattractive.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye for now. All right, so we're gonna go where everyone goes, up over this way. Go just kill everything. It's easy. I do remember how I get to where I want to get to now, because it's been quite a little bit. I think we can go up over here, right? Yeah. And kill this guy dead. You probably like a cool like stealth class to play in the overworld. Let's focus on dexterity, and then swap that out to like some good dex build when you're fighting a boss too. That'd be cool. I'll even play stealth class, but we're a paladin. The hell was that? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What did I do to you, dude? Came out squealing at me like, "Rah! Get off my property." Kurikai. Kukri? Kukri. You're so kooky. Godric Soldier's Helm. So I guess if we're gonna be wearing strength, we're gonna need endurance. Thinking about it, right? Because we're gonna be able to handle all that weight. Right, Kitty? Right? What is over here? I think it's just a place to level up, isn't it? Does he move from his post? There's a flail and everything over here, right? Even the flail's kind of crappy in this game. It would be pretty cool. I need to make a scale for that, for the, that's what I'm gonna work on. Is making, I had to make a scale for the stat scaling. I'm ducking like he didn't see me. Ooh, I'm rusty. I'm just gonna rest. I'm right here.
Lead to the foot of the earth.
Okay.
Summon me. I bequeath
This ring.
Use it. It will summon torrent has treat him with.
I like how I just meet this girl. She's like, yeah.
Let my hand
It's like this horse chose you. I was like, oh, okay, cool.
thoughts, your ambitions.
I think I need to make a. I think I need to start working on and stop making console-based stuff. Is to start working on like using Tinkerer and start using Tinkerer to make some like build all the stuff in there, like all the analytics. Proof of purchase. As you should well know, you need the original copies of your New York State SMS solo. Assigned task of providing proof of purchase. Solo. What? I wish this is rotated better so I can understand what the heck I'm reading. Girlfriend just sent me something random. A proof of purchase? You need 2 copies. One for you, one for your nurse and just click on. You need the original copies. I don't know what the heck they're talking about. Original copies of what? Original copies of your... of your new solo for your performance and all you have been assigned the task of providing proof of your purchase. Once your solo has been purchased, please upload a picture of the original copy to Zoology. Also should be purchased well before improve. Oh, okay. And I think what's over here. There's flails over here. There's great swords over here. Anything that's gonna be good for strength, we're gonna use as we play. We get to the giant top. Oops, wrong button. I bet that makes me heal. Try and get behind them. It's just easier if you can get behind them. Big shielded dudes. Alright. So there's that. We'll click on our flail. I dropped his boy, or broke through his boys pretty quickly, huh? Oh, we have to go. There's the Ashen War thing down here. I didn't to equip the Ashen Wars. Wait, watch out this dude. This dude will freaking sound the alarm. That's where we need to go. Oh, great. It's not time. After. It's baddie out there. Chat, be careful. Oh, man. This is pretty cool. Hope everything looks good, because I'm on 4 different sites. Oh, it's the map. You gotta find the map, because it's the map. Map. Where am I going over here? I don't know. I just work here. There are probably so many secrets that I haven't found in this game yet. Like, I have 10 achievements left, but I think like majority of them are from the six endings. I think I have 4 left. The other ones are pretty much from obtaining all the legendary shit. Nonsense, so I have to do all that. And then, oh shit. Oh snap. I'm gonna be sneaky over here. I'm looking for the entrance. Go down the little thing. I forget where. Oh, there it is. It's right there. I knew it was over here. Okay. Damn dog. Wolf thing. Oh, shit. Ow. Oh, I caught that one. Did not mean to bring the freaking... Oh, great. And I have all the bats after me, too. Okay. I'm dead. So I got too many guys on me. Oh, my goodness. This was a horrible, horrible thing. Oh, I'm dead. That's what happens when you don't play Elden Ring after a while. You go back to being a noob. I think I was also being way too cautious. Like, overly cautious. Alright, so let's try this again. So it's up over here is where I need to go down. I see it now. I don't remember what the hell it is. If I got plenty of profit, it's pretty difficult. Because there's like nothing to this dude. He's literally in pajamas. Should look at spells before we actually made a paladin. I might do a more analysis before I actually... I think I'm gonna start building with the Tinctor, or what the heck it's called. If I can actually build a little app that we can put things together instead of just using console builds. Holy crap, Amundo. Alright, alright, alright. I'm dead again. For crying out loud. I'm not very good at this, am I? At least I can sleep here again, I guess. Oh, man, chat. How do I get over there again without dying? It's one down. Whoa! Where'd that dude come from? I didn't even see him behind me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start learning the Tinker. Well, let me build some neat stuff for a, you know, web app. Not web app, a basic app. I could build a web app, but I feel like learning have to. I'd rather just keep learning Python right now than trying to learn like HTML and CSS and all that stuff. I was learning Flask, but I think I'll just be. God damn, why the whole freaking thing has to come out? Jesus, Louise! Help me! Help me! Help me! I just want to get in here. That's all I want to do. Whew. Sheesh. I was getting my booty kicked. Oh no! Oh no! 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 We are not fighting you, Mr. Glorified Mr. Crazy Knight. We are not fighting you. You are super powered, and I am little meat popsicle. Okay. You followed me over here. You never follow me here. Oof. What did I get so far, equipment-wise? Just a helm? Nice. Alright, well, better than wearing nothing. I like the farm over here in the beginning, just because it's easy farm, sort of. I would like a sword. I'm not a big fan of the pole arms and harpoon things. Harpoon! Volcano! It would be cool to do like Alex on like a traditional RPG, like Final Fantasy or something. I like doing spreadsheets. I don't know. Maybe it's overkill for a game like this, and I'm pretty sure it's already like, you know, things are out there, but it's a great learning opportunity for me. So I'm not worried about who's doing stats and what, who says meta, because that doesn't. I'm cool with that. I don't care. Jeez, can we get that hammer? Hammer. Ooh, hit each other at the same time. Oh, they're coming after me. That's a big arse hammer. I would like to have that hammer. I just find it funny the hammers just don't have a good. I find it funny that not many weapons in this game actually have good faith. Faith scaling. Damn. They're not hooking up with any weapons over here. But like, too bad. Stinks to be you. I'm like, alright, whatever. Having a weapon would be great right now. Ooh, hello. Ah, shnikes. Now I pissed them all off. Here they all come. Alright, we're gonna go rest anyway, because we can level up one level. Oh, no, we actually can't. We're still 100 points away. Oh, my goodness, I'm gonna die. There's like a whole freaking party after me. Oh, man. I'm not the best player in the world, but I do try. Once I get a sword in my hand, I'll be better. I do not like pole arms. Yay! What's in here? Oh, sorry, there's a great sword in here. Oh, sweet. Can I use a great sword? Nice, I can use a great sword. So I need to have strength requirement 16. I don't have enough strength. I only have 11. I have to go up 5 levels. Okay, it's wonderful. Okay, great. Can't use it yet. I need a long sword then. I like how I'm walking around in pajamas and a helmet. I am the strongest man in the world. My PJs and my helmet on. No person shall mess with me. They shall fear beneath me. Power beneath my feet. And pajamas. I keep getting helms. Not helms would be grace. I would like a sword or a hammer. Hammer would be great. And it's like a good place to like farm, just trying to like get your equipment that you need. I don't know, at least I think so. I could be wrong. I haven't played this game in forever. Nice. No, you got nothing for me? Alright, that's cool. Wasn't there another weapon or something here that we could pick up? Or is it just farming it now from the enemies? Yeah, I have like tons of freaking memories popping back from this game, like where all the stuff that I need. Actually, I don't know where a lot of faith-based stuff is. I know where all the magic stuff is. Like that, I played a heavy sorcerer when it first came out. I mean, even a longsword would be amazing, but they don't want to give me one. I love how you just like, oh, this is a dead enemy, but we're not gonna make a big deal of it. I wait for that big dude to pass by. I am fighting him. Oh, give me a little shield. Something. Damn it. Da-da-da. Hey, doggo, chill out. Ooh. Maybe that's the thing I want. The sword, the hammer. Damn, it's smacked. Woo! Damn, dog. Oh, you know what I never did? Yay! Oh, it's over 2,000 now. I don't like this area because they are very clustered together. It's out, Humbo. You're dead now. And impelling thrust is no joke, let me tell you. Peace out, doggo. Alright, cool. Now I can move forward and hopefully get a hammer. They just this game just trolling me now. I was like, oh yeah, here you go, there's a hammer. Have another helmet. Oh, I want the hammer. I wonder how much... He didn't see me rolling. I always found that to be funny. I saw nothing. If I don't look, it will go away. Just pretend it's not there. Oh wow, it's cold. That's why it's so cold. It's freaking snowing outside, everyone. It is snowing. I know, snow way. Horrible dad joke. I know, it's okay. It's okay. So, yeah. I looked up my code. I built a little app once for a... maybe I'll do a web app. Might be easier to do a web app. Up the flats, make a fun little web app. Probably better off doing it that way since everything's on the web. I selected the dudes with the hammers. I just get leveled up here. I don't have anything I can equip, like nothing else. No other gloves or boots or just helmets. Look at helmets I got. I've gotten like 4 helmets. That's ridiculous. Oh, Schneik. Oh, yeah, I got Greaves. Okay, we gotta run away. Run, 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 run. Are they following me? I can't tell if they're following me or not. Alright, so that's gonna increase our defense a little bit. That dude will toot his horn, and then we'll be freaking in trouble. We'll have the whole party, the whole camp over us again. I gotta find the guy with the hammer. No, I've never had... This is like the worst drop rates I've ever had over here. I usually get pretty quick geared up on Godric here. This is the worst. Where's the hammer, dude? I'm gonna attack this guy, and he's gonna pop up of nowhere swinging his hammer like freaking Thor. And then I'll be sore. Oh, shnikes. I pissed them both off. Alright, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to do that. I'm just walking around looking for a guy to the hammer. Have you seen your friend? The guy with the hammer? Have you seen him? I would really like to talk to him. I mean, if you've seen him or not. I'm not sure. No? Alright. He's like sleeping somewhere. I never like walk into. I would just end up fighting him. I'm like, oh, where did you come from? I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, there he is. See? That's the dude. Like, oh no, there's a dead guy over here. Let me bring my torch out in broad daylight to make sure I can see what I'm looking at. Ooh. Yes, I got the war pick. Yeah, that was cheap. But, you know, who's keeping count of anything here? Can I use the war pick? Nice, we can. Let's smack the guy right in the face. Oh, sweet. Yay! And now we have some decent armor. Now it needs just a shield. And the dudes with the shield drops the shields. That'd be great. And then we can use our war pick and have the shield. Thank you, RNG, for dropping that for me. I appreciate it very muchly. Oh, thank you. I can kick someone. That's about all I can do now with this. Ooh. I definitely don't want that shield. That shield's way too big. We don't need a gray shield or a tower shield. We just need a I just need a shield. Well, why did you go with the Confessor? Well, I mean, the Confessor is probably a great class. It's just I get higher faith with this. No, look, another helm. See? Well, that's ridiculous. They become a little invincible when they get. So I have to wait for them to get back up. They get knocked down. They get up again. You're never gonna wear them out. Why is that shield a little pain to rumpus to get? Do I have to fight the guys with the shield? Or is it can just drop from any one of these guys, right? It doesn't really matter. Whoa, holy snap-a-moly. Wrong button. Oh, wow, really short range. Whoa, doggo. Woo. I should probably go level up. How many levels can I go? Which would I go with first? I never know what to go with first. Like, should I go with strength? Faith? I mean, faith's probably later in the game. But at least I should go like strength and vitality or vigor, right? Could just shield bash me. I'm gonna go level. So 2 levels is 1400, 20-ish 100. So maybe 2 levels we're gonna get out of this. Oh, we got 4 levels. I can't do math. So I'll do 2 into vigor and 2 into strength. Ugh. Or should I put like 1 to endurance to increase my equipment load too, right? Start equipping like heavy stuff, and then once I equip that freaking, let's drop. Get 1 into there. How does it bring? I bring about 3 points. That could be like helpful. I think having a max equip load of like 60 is gonna be good. So that means I need 15 points into endurance. We'll see. Maybe 20 points into endurance. That's what I want. This is what I want to do it because I want to see. I need to make a build calculator. And it's not easy to respec in this game either. So that gives me 20 points of hit. It gives me 2 more stamina. And that gives me I get no boost in damage until I put 2 points in. But it brings my resistance up a little bit. Wow. Oh, okay. Bet you Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, I was about to say, watch it go up more with that. Nope. I'm gonna need 2 points into strength to make it even worth it. 2 points into it gives me 121 damage. I'm gonna do that. I just need a shield now. That'd be great. Got the gauntlets. Alright, so we're decked out in armor now, so that's good. We just need that shield, and we should be good to go. Ah, shit. No bueno. Run as fast as you can. Go faster. I'm to pull that day into a sequel table. Oh shit! I forgot what I was doing. I was thinking about my data. Oh gosh. I totally forgot what I was doing. Oh. Hi. Who's like swinging like 8 years away. And what, 2 of you with the shield, not one of you dropped the shield. Okay. That's great. Oh, I love iron, Jesus. I love being able to jump. Like when you get into a game that's like a Souls-like and you can't jump, it drives me insane. I just want to jump around. Oh, shnikes, I was just hoping to get the freaking Olga. All I want was a shield, man. All I want is a shield. Give me up with a shield and I'll be happy. Oh, that kick was pretty good. Ow. Huh. Not one shield. Does that shield even exist right now? That triangle shield? I don't think it exists anymore. I think they canned it from the game at this point. Nope. No one dropped it yet. Maybe this team will drop it for us. This last triangle shield. Actually, is there? No, that's it. Ooh, got a smithing stone. Okay, we can level up our weapons now. Sort of. We got what? We can level up one more time. Get some more health. How's that sound? I can't believe, like, this dude didn't hear me walking up on him. They're both in here, aren't they? Ow, jerk. Oh, man. Nice. All right. Well, that didn't give me a shield either. I'm really debating how I'm gonna do it. Like how we run these analytics. Like, we can run, I guess, them together in a spreadsheet, right? Calculate the numbers and everything. Yeah, that'd be easier. Make me better at the back end. And I can take that basic data in the back end, and then eventually turn it into a front end. This dude over here is like, yo, what the hell happened? Damn, you guys just don't want to drop the damn shield. You guys are just being greedy. Stop being greedy. Give me the shield. Please? Oh, that's nice, Lear. Ow. But like, listen, you took this. You took our hammer for us. Now you want a damn shield? Get out of here. They're like, go away. I have everything. What if I want everything in the game? Don't you know that? What's your legendary hammer in this game? Is there a legendary warhammer in this game? What is blow a horn? Oh, it's the game. I can't believe not one shield. Really? One shield did not drop? Did I just miss it? Oh, wait, I do have a shield. I have rickety shield. What am I gonna do with that thing? I like how he's like literally watching me. as I kill him. It doesn't do anything. Yeah, nothing going on here, guys. I don't see anything. And then these two, like, climb up the mountain. They're like, I don't see nothing. Looks like one of us. You know, he's got blood covered all over him. Come on, dude. Hook me up with the shield. Please. With sugar on top. It's alright. We're gonna probably do one last round and then call it a night. That'll be end of my stream for Monday. I wish to stream yesterday, but I literally lost track of time programming. I didn't realize what time it was. Looked down, I was like, oh, I missed my stream. Oh man, you are. I think it's a troll. Like, yes, here's a loot, and it's like, oh, it's just another helm. Oh well, helms sell for runes, don't they? Start with these two guys first. We made it through a whole night, a whole day cycle almost. I could dual war picks if I wanted to. Oh. Oh, rickety shield. It's got hay and a piece of wood on it. The shield should break as soon as it gets hit. Alright. Well, no shield drop. We gotta get this last guy. And then I'll probably do some leveling before stream again on Thursday. And put together more analytics. And then we'll hopefully have a, like, working little console app, I guess. With all the data that I want. You can see how my character will come along. Without actually playing the game first. So it's like a character builder, I guess, if you want. So, but we're running analytics using spreadsheets before just like putting it inside of an application. So, but chat, that is going to be the end of my stream. So I appreciate everyone checking me out and hanging out, lurking, chatting. It's much appreciated. I thank you everyone for coming in, spending time here. It's like the biggest currency you can give anyone is your time. So I appreciate it. It means a lot. And you guys rock. You're awesome. I'll probably here. I'll be here more on SharePlay. I might cut down one of the places I'm streaming to. I don't know. I haven't figured out a platform yet where I'm gonna be, where I want to be. SharePlay looks really cool. Looking forward to that future as well. Live Space looks cool. Looking to the future of that. I just haven't locked down on a platform yet, and I don't think I need to right now. It just makes it a little difficult more to stream, setting up chat and whatnot. But until then, everyone, I'll be back Thursday night. Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when I stream. Sunday, Monday, Thursday. And then I'm trying to do a video on YouTube at least once a month. So we'll see. We'll see how we do with that. Because once a week sometimes gets too much. But I appreciate everyone being here and hanging out. I hope you all have an awesome day. I hope you have a great night and an awesome day tomorrow. I'll check everyone out until next time. Peace out, everyone.